Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Today I have the honor to present you an incredibly made book by one of my super special friends and student, Tracy Dunnigan. She's allowing me to share this with you and I'm just so unbelievably grateful. Her creativity for this design has really blown my mind. I know you're going to gain inspiration from this one. I just am obsessed with this paper. She actually used Carta, the great outdoors, and I am blown to bits. Tracy, you are an incredible artist. Look at the detail here. She stuck this beautiful little sticker from the collection that is like a cardstock sticker. I know Carta has this beautiful textured cardstock that they print on, and it's fantastic. She added like 2 little acetate frames right here. I would have never thought to do that, so I just love it, Tracy. This comes out. She mounted a 3x4 cut apart on this super sturdy organic craft cardstock. Look at this. Look at this little detail. I mean, how cute is that? I've never seen that type of punch before. It's absolutely phenomenal. How cute. And I love the way your pocket just is so easy to maneuver here. My pockets never turn out like that, and I just love the simplicity. Look at this little detail going around here. Sort of like an embossed stitch pattern. She did that for both solid craft color. Beautiful composition here. This craft totally goes with the lake theme, and I mean, what a just absolutely beautiful composition. Look at this, lake life. Again, another one of those adorable little, you gotta tell me the name of this cute little tab punch. That is awesome. She rounded just these 2 corners down at the bottom. A nice little unique touch there. I've never seen that be done before. Just 2 rounded corners at the bottom. Love this cute little tree. This paper's so cute. Plaid, 100% me. I mean, isn't this fantastic, Tracy? You are just phenomenal. And right here on the back, she used this nice border strip page. Super cute with the little oars and the little canoes. And then handmade with love. So I guess that's your middle name. I love it. That's actually what I was going to be named if I wasn't going to be Frances. So let's open this little beauty up together. She used the beginner's mini album tutorial for this, so I'll go ahead and leave that as a link down in the description. I love this little bear. He's got a cute little camera right there on that plaid paper. Isn't that just fantastic? This makes me want to take a trip to the lake right away. And look at this. Super simple, beautiful paper there. Love your little angles on the tops of your tags. Cute little place photo stamp here. Love that camera. And isn't this just wonderful? Look at, she put like this little flower cluster here. And a cute little gone fishing. Oh my gosh. Stick photos on the back of there. Adorable. This is a little flap that opens up and reveals more of her goodies. I mean, isn't this super sweet? We've got some more of those super fun, fantastic little tabs that she added onto some of her pieces here. And I love this corner punch. I'm going to need to know the name of that too, because I've been wanting to get something like that. Look at this cute scenery by Carta. How easy it is to just cut a cut apart out and stick it in one of your pockets, and how cute it makes it look. Get wild right here with this paper. Love your journaling lines, Tracy. They turned out wonderful. Look at that with a nice bright gel pen or kind of a chalk marker design there. And then look at this. Another gone fishing little stamp. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. These go right back in there. 4x6 pictures fit throughout this entire book, so she doesn't have to do any cropping for these if she wanted to add her pictures. How fun. Right here is a little page flap. Love this nice vertical 4x6. Look at this cute little fisherman. He's right there. Beautiful place to put him, Tracy, as well. Just love it. Right on the back of here, she stuck a sticker up here. Has more of that design paper strip showing. Just the use of this fantastic organic feeling craft paper just is exceptional. Absolutely exceptional. Look at that simple sticker right at the top. How cute is that? Another little boat right here. Vertical photo styles right there. And then on the back, we got like this. I like how she split the 2. He's got a little fire going. How adorable. Wilderness. Love that Native American style pattern here on that paper. They did so good on that. Absolutely wonderful, Tracy. You fit this perfectly on this little pocket here. Another little 4x6 photo mat. Picture space. And then this unleashes this little flap there. Cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. There's tons of community challenges going on. There's actually one right now in the community that we're all participating in. So it's from April 1st to the 30th. And US winners can get some goodies. So I'll leave the detail about the challenge. If you haven't had the chance to sign up yet, now's a great time to try. It's super fun to know that we're all kind of making the same book together. Super excited. I am also completely obsessed with how she popped up some of these cute little sticker elements throughout the book. Unreal. Oh my gosh. Let's get a close-up on this. What a perfect spot to put that. A nice little separator right between the 2 photos here. Gorgeous, Tracy. I'm in love. Oh, look how she layered this. Cute, adorable little chipmunk squirrel guy hanging out in that little tree branch. Don't you just love seeing squirrels in nature? Just animals in nature is just my favorite thing ever. Look at this. Another different size tag actually for this one. And I love how she put a nice strip down here. Just to kind of break up the two designs, add a little bit of interest. That floral page is absolutely phenomenal. Holy moly. Here we go. Got to unleash there. Look all the goodies you can do in here. This design probably will take you just about a day, especially if you know what you're sticking. In love with that tab. Absolutely in love with that tab. I love how simple you're just allowing the paper to just speak on its own. Look at these little critters. Oh, there's that big size tag. Okay, adorable. Look at this. Tracy, I love how you did a sticker and then you did some dots and you kind of made your stickers become part of your journaling lines. I mean, I'm going to need to do that now. That is so awesome. I love this nice big scenery. Great place to put that for this particular book because it shows off and showcases the paper just so well. Love that plaid. Awesome little landscape 4x6 picture here. So super cute. Love that. And just, it's got this dreamy feeling of this little vacation to the lake. Carta did just an excellent job. And Tracy, you made this paper shine absolutely wonderfully. I love that cute little bear. Oh my goodness. Again, it's been my absolute pleasure to be able to share Tracy's book with you. And Tracy, thank you so much for this opportunity. It was an absolute blast to connect with you through your artwork, and the time that you spent hanging out with me during this tutorial will always mean the world to me. Again, the tutorial link you'll find in the description as well as the challenge. We would love for you to join us. We make books together and it's just so much fun. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and a hug to you, Tracy, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.